Are you struggling with exponentiation and constant expressions while converting from VB to C sharp? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this tricky issue and find a solution together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you encounter a limitation in a programming language. Many developers have faced similar challenges when transitioning between languages, especially when it comes to constants and mathematical operations. Here's the specific question we're addressing. A user asked how to initialize a constant with an exponent expression in C sharp. They mentioned using the exponent operator in VB, but found that C sharp treats the caret symbol as a bitwise XOR operator instead. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So why can't we use the mathpow function in a constant expression in C sharp? The answer lies in how C sharp handles constant values. Unlike VB, C sharp requires constants to be evaluated at compile time, and mathpow is not a compile time constant. Let's explore some alternatives. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a clever workaround that will help you initialize your constants effectively. To initialize a constant with an exponent expression in C sharp, the user can utilize a static constructor. This allows for the calculation of values at runtime, which can then be assigned to constants. Next, the user should define a static read-only field instead of a constant. This field can hold the result of the exponentiation using the math.pow method. The user should ensure that the values for max mantissa and max exponent are accessible within the static context. This might involve passing them as parameters or ensuring they are defined in the same class. Finally, the user can access the max value field just like a constant, but now it will hold the calculated value based on the exponentiation. Fun fact, did you know that the caret symbol was originally used in programming languages for exponentiation? It's funny how things change over time. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In this alternative approach, the user explains that exponentiation in constant expressions isn't possible in C sharp. However, for powers of 2, you can use the shift operator. They suggest hard-coding the value with a comment or using a static read-only variable, but note that static read-only doesn't have the same compile time behavior as constants. Here's a pro tip. Always check the documentation for the language you're working with. Understanding the nuances can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You now know how to handle exponentiation in constant expressions when converting from VB to C sharp. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.